Hey guys, welcome back. So if you remember back last year, AoA had basically some really nice looking Circle 11 kits. Now at that time, I think they were only doing 10 of them, and they offered a full build service on those, which was pretty cool, using all kinds of Polish components and stuff, chrome line, cold hammer forged barrel, I mean, you name it, just really cool stuff. Now, when I opted for number 10 in that list, I'll try to put a picture up here in the top left, just because I liked it. I liked the finish on the metal. I liked how the wood looked, and I opted for basically a barreled action. So it was not completely, but mostly built out. And then of course they ship you the wood, furniture, and the rest of the stuff separately to your door because they can't ship them together. But anyway, finally got this in, got it picked up. I'll let you guys see it. Now I could have upgraded to a Explorer bag, but I was like, you know what, it's just a barreled action. It's fine just to ship in their standard bag. I'm cool with that. But let's check out how an AoA built barreled action looks. I'm curious to see that myself, and I'm sure you guys are too. And from what I understand, they do a pretty decent job. So this is exactly how it shipped. This is how I picked it up. It is in this nice sealed plastic bag. Let's get this case out of the way. Now, when I did see this at my local shop, this thing was very much oiled up. Extremely oiled up, actually. And I'm not going to complain about that. That's a great thing, because you don't want a kit or a barreled action arriving to you all rusted. That's like a terrible thing to happen. So you want these to be nice. And this is what we have. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. Now, first off, it is a numbers matching kit. This one in particular is a 19... Oh wow. I thought it was a 1986. It's actually a 1968 kit. Can't believe this thing is as nice as it is. But let me go ahead and kind of show you guys for the camera the rivet quality on this, because I think they did a pretty decent job. They're domed well. You guys will notice now the only two areas of contention that I have are these two rivets back here. They are a little bit flattened, but other than that, the rivet work looks really good. Of course, they gave it their own number there. Has that Polish barrel. I mean, this thing just looks phenomenal. Really, really beautiful looking kit. Of course, they have to add an American-made receiver. I mean, that's just part of it, guys. But this thing looks really nice. Now, I did, when I was at the shop, I did get the cover off. This cover is tight. It's very oily. I'm not even going to attempt it right now. But when you look at the selector markings, they have the correct C and P markings. See how much oil is here. But, honestly, I have to do some adjustment on that. Honestly, this thing is just really, really nice. I mean, I cannot complain on this. You'll notice they put a bunch of white lithium grease down here on the bolt and on the carrier. It's a super smooth action from what I can tell. Oh yeah. Now there's no fire control group in here, but this thing is just buttery smooth. Now let's take a look at the furniture they sent me. Now what I'll have to do is I probably have to put this in another video once I show it completely together. Let me get this open and get my packing slip out of the way. No, the packing slip really doesn't have much information on it. But let's look at this wood. So there is, looks like they took the original fire control group out completely. I can see why they did that. But here's the stock screws, the pins for the trigger, you know, your grip screw, the nut, all that good stuff inside of there. The stock is gorgeous looking. I don't know that this thing was ever issued. Looks like they just took it apart, demilled it, and shipped it over, and then AoA built them out. Cardboard off there. This should be my lower handguard. Ah, here we go. Yes, that is my upper and lower handguard. This may need a little bit of bending to actually stay in there, but there's the upper handguard. And there is our lower handguard, palm swell. You guys will notice that wood pretty much matches. That's one of the reasons I opted for this kit. And here is our pistol grip. Now these are Bakelite pistol grips that these came with. And this, boys and girls, I'm not quite sure. It kind of feels like it's Polish fatty. This grip just has a couple small little scuffs on it. A little nick up here. It still looks very nice. So this is going to make for a beautiful rifle. So kudos to AoA for just allowing us the opportunity to get something cool like this. You know, this thing is nice. It's really nice. I can't wait to get some furniture on it and play with it. That's just really nice. I really don't know what else to say. It was well worth the wait, in my opinion. And I don't have any complaints. I mean, it's pretty slick. That is an absolutely, once again, absolutely gorgeous looking barreled action. I mean, it's so nice. You know, you don't want to drag this through the mud and grime and everything else. So that's really cool. Anyway, just wanted to share this with you guys today. If you guys got one of those 10, let me know in the comment section down below. I'm very curious. You see the 21969, 21969. Got all the cool numbers on it. I don't believe they actually match that. No, they did not match it on the receiver, but that's okay. I wasn't anticipating this thing to be, you know, absolutely perfect. But in terms of sights, I don't think they're canted. They don't appear to be. Man, that is an absolutely gorgeous build. So big shout out to AoA for that. I'm very happy about that. And hopefully I'll do a follow-up video on this and you guys will get to see this thing in its completed glory. But if you guys got one of these original 10, let me know in the comment section down below. I'm assuming you guys probably got yours pretty soon too, or pretty recently, because I just got mine like within the last week. Just now, of course, getting around to showing the video. So as always, guys, big shout out to my subscribers. And if you guys haven't considered subscribing, please do so. Greatly helps out the channel. And I'm very curious if anybody's watching this that has one and got one, to see what you ended up with. I opted to keep my finish original, and it looks like they kept it that way. They just slicked it up real good with some oil, just because the finish was too nice to really mess with. But Once again, if you guys got one of the original 10, let me know. Curious to see how yours turned out. But as always, guys, biggest shout out to my subscribers, and thank you guys in advance for all your likes, your shares, your comments. Until next time, you guys have a great day.